Unlocking the potential of the TikTok creativity program and transforming simple clips into a steady income stream is an enticing prospect. In this comprehensive guide, I'll unravel the steps to help you kickstart your journey into this lucrative realm, potentially generating thousands of dollars monthly. To qualify for the TikTok creativity program, your account must be created in specific countries: the US, UK, France, Brazil, Germany, Japan, or Korea. However, fear not if you're not in one of these regions. A discreet workaround is shared in a video linked in the description. Additionally, reaching the 10,000 followers milestone is essential. But with the strategies outlined in this guide, hitting this mark in as little as 5 days becomes a realistic goal. Now let's delve into the first step: choosing a niche. Opt for a category with broad appeal, ensuring millions can enjoy your content. While the trend of clipping up favorite streamers or adding video game footage may seem tempting, a crucial requirement of the program is original content. Hence, a smart move is to create a faceless TikTok account utilizing AI. Moving on the fast track to 10K followers plan, market research is paramount. Analyze top accounts in your chosen niche, identifying their best performing videos. Create a Google Doc to compile these insights, aiming for at least 5 to 10 exemplary accounts. These videos will serve as inspiration for your initial content, catapulting you toward virality and that coveted 10K follower milestone. With your niche selected and inspiration gathered, it's time for step 3, creating your video. The process is intricate, but the rewards are substantial. Develop a script on ChatGPT, ensuring it's detailed and descriptive. Craft a custom hook to captivate viewers within the initial seconds. For visual engagement, utilize AI-generated images from Mid-Journey. The voiceover, crucial for viewer engagement, is created on 11 Labs. A unique trick mentioned is tricking the droids, where adding intriguing elements prompts comments and rewatching. The next step involves generating captions, leveraging CapCut for a visually engaging sequence. The font choice matters, and considerations depend on your niche: scarier fonts for eerie content, or bolder, attention-grabbing fonts for other genres. Once your video is crafted, the final step involves posting. Choose a trending audio without lyrics that complements your video's vibe. Follow for more.